Hi guys, it's me Rachel and welcome to today's video. Today is another hair video and I'm going to be talking to you about my edges. So just a quick history about my hairline and my edges. I have always had a pretty full hairline. I have had areas which have been a bit more sparse than others, but generally my hairline has been quite full and quite thick. So fast forward about, I want to say, to about a year, 2 years ago, I noticed that my hairline was breaking. I'm even rewind much further. I noticed when I used to wear wigs a lot, my edges were getting thin. So the wigs were thinning out my edges. I used to wear wigs where they had a comb attachment, but I didn't always attach the comb, into my hair. I may just lay it flat on my hair. And that obviously has taken its toll. One thing I have been doing is I've left the wigs and the weaves alone. However, I've got into headscarves, and there's nothing wrong with headscarves. But if you don't protect your hair underneath, then you are going to damage it, or you risk damaging your hair. And I think that's what's happened with me. My sister, my youngest sister, would always say, you need to cover your edges properly, like when I would wear a headscarf, and also when I would go to bed at night and have my bonnet on. But typically I would just cover like half, not half, but leave some of it out. I'll give a demonstration, just bear with me. So this is a bonnet, and fun fact, I actually made this. If you're interested in a bonnet like this, let me know. So I typically, for a long period of time, was wearing my bonnet like this at night. And sometimes it wasn't by accident, sometimes it was deliberate. Like you just push it back and not even think. Or when you're sleeping, it pushes it back. Or when I would wear a headscarf, I would wrap my hair up. And I really liked this look where you had some hair showing. And although there's nothing wrong with that, eventually it does take its toll on the hairline area. And I'm just going to show you what my edges look like. Yeah, let's go. I'll take this off. I'm just going to become a bit forward. So I put my hair. Put my hair up. If I just... That is, you can see I've just taken my hair out of some plaits I had in, but you can just see the edges. You see that? Like, yes, it's full, but my hair was much longer in this area. What is this? Hello? Hello? I don't know what that is. Yeah. That's like my edges. My edges are trying to leave me. Yeah, it's actually much better than some months back, but it is not as it was before. Like, I know we call these areas baby hairs because they're shorter, but my edges, baby hairs, whatever you want to call them, were a lot better than this. If you want to follow me on this journey where I am trying to revive and grow back my edges and my hairline, then please make sure you subscribe. In the comments below, let me know of some of the hair issues that you have. I find that when we go natural, or return to natural as some people like to phrase it, we only really document, the happy times of reaching a certain hair goal length, or the moisture we've retained, or the amazing hairstyles that we've been able to acquire because of the fact that we've basically looked after our hair. But we don't talk about the setbacks and the struggles of being natural, or some of the issues that we do have. Although I absolutely love having natural hair, I know I have neglected my hair, and that is the reason as to why my hair looks like this. By the time you see this video, it would have been 7 years since I've been natural, and I've had quite a few setbacks that I haven't documented online, and I wish I did, because it would have probably helped more people, and also it would have been, maybe it would have motivated me to better take care of my hair, because I think when you upload videos like this online, you have someone holding you accountable to be like, girl, are you moisturizing your hair? What are you doing to your edges and all these other things? But when you go away and deal with the struggle alone, there's no one necessarily, there's no one that you have to account to, there's no one you have to answer to. So please subscribe if you want to follow me on this journey of retaining and maintaining my beautiful natural hair. I think my hair looks great. It could be a lot better, really could. My hair's been longer than this, and if I find images I will insert it. But yeah, this is my hair at the moment. I've literally just taken it out of some plaits I had in my hair, and yeah. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you share it with someone else. Rain.